Well, now there are many different ways to understand the nature of time, but one of the most important has to do with the objectivity of tense. That is to say, past, present, and future. Are these real, objective, mind independent features of reality, or are they merely subjective illusions of human consciousness? And various theories of time treat these tense determinations differently. For example, you mentioned the A theory of time. This is a theory of time that says that these tense determinations are objective features of the world, that there really is such a thing as the present moment, and that it has a different ontological status than a past moment or a future moment. And that temporal becoming is a real and objective feature of the world. Things really do come into being and go out of being. So that's the A theory. The B theory, by contrast, says that temporal becoming is illusory. It's just a feature of human subjective experience, and that there really is no objective difference between past, present, and future. It just is a perspective of the observer. For the people in 2024, 2024 is present. But for the people in 1924, 1924 is present. And neither one of them is objectively right. It's just a matter of a person's perspective. And so on the B theory, there is no temporal becoming. All events in time are stretched out like a line, equally real, and past, present, and future just shows your relative position on the timeline. Now, you can try to merge these two together into a sort of A hyphen B theory, a kind of marriage between the two. But I and many others have argued that this is really incoherent. You cannot marry a tenseless, B-theoretic ontology with the objectivity of tense and temporal becoming. Otherwise, you'll wind up with a contradiction. And it was precisely that contradiction that led the famous idealist philosopher J.M.E. McTaggart to conclude that therefore time doesn't exist, that it's all unreal. He thought that time is a fundamentally contradictory notion. So you've got the A theory, the B theory, the contradictory mixture of the two, and then McTaggart's view that time is unreal.
So don't ask McTaggart what time it is.
Yeah, right.